Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is, the sweets were stale, so I threw them. The sweets were stale, so I threw them. मिठाई बासी थी इसलिए फेंक दी. Second, he was compelled to do this. He was compelled to do this. वो ऐसा करने पर मजबूर था. 3. I left my watch at home. I left my watch at home. मेरी घड़ी घर पर रह गई. 4. His mobile got stolen. His mobile got stolen. उसका मोबाइल चोरी हो गया. 5. The car broke down in the middle of the road. The car broke down in the middle of the road. गाड़ी बीच सड़क पर खराब हो गई. 6. His car didn't break down on the motorway. His car didn't break down on the motorway. उसकी गाड़ी मोटरवे पर खराब नहीं हुई थी. 7. Your eyes are such a dope. Your eyes are such a dope. तुम्हारी आंखें कातिलाना हैं. 8. Their house got robbed. Their house got robbed. उनके घर चोरी हो गई. 9. The arrangement was nothing special at the party. The arrangement was nothing special at the party. पार्टी पर इंतज़ामात कुछ खास न थे. The last one is 10. Don't talk in a roundabout way. Don't talk in a roundabout way. घुमा फिरा कर बात मत करो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.